I wore my retainer for like the first time in like 2 years, and my teeth have shifted so much. I didn't realize that they would do that. So I'm trying to wear the retainer again, and it hurts so bad. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And guys, today I'm bringing to you a kind of like review tutorial, literally the same video that I do for all the palettes that I get. Today we're looking at the brand new Sultry Palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I bought this palette the day that it was released, and okay, so a little backstory with this. I was not gonna get this palette. When I first saw the colors leaked on Instagram and everything, I was like, that's basic. I wasn't really gonna get it, but then I saw like the actual packaging, the way that it looked, and it was just like, oh my god, that's so pretty. So honestly, I think the packaging is what sold me on this palette. And then I realized that it was cool tones. I know everybody and their mom apparently hates cool tones because I know that it is a little bit different, but I personally really like them. I think they go better with my skin tone because I am very fair, but I do like cool tones. And then inside they are very cool tones. So if you can see this right here, they do have a lot of like grays and browns. There is this one really pretty salmon color up there, but it is a really pretty palette, which I'm kind of digging, if I'm honest. And I have already swatched these. This is not a first impressions. I have swatched them, but I do want to do a review on them for you guys because I know this is a very hyped up palette right now, and I'm very excited. We're gonna go ahead and jump right into this. This palette was $45, I believe. Let me check to make sure that I'm not lying. 45, yeah, so this was 45. And then what was the Norvina? Was it 45 when it came out, or was it 42? Yeah, okay, so the rest of them are 42. I don't know if this one is just $3 more because it's brand new or what. I'm not entirely sure why the price jumped up a little bit there, but you know what? Whatever. Let's go ahead and just jump into it here, you guys. I'm really excited. I want to do like a really kind of like dark, sexy, so I mean the palette is called Sultry, so I mean why not? But guys, if you would like to see the tutorial slash review on the Sultry palette, then keep on watching. I may have gone a little overboard on the blush today. I think I may have, but you know what, it'll be alright. I got you zoomed in, as you can see here, and we're just gonna jump right into it. First thing that I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a very large fluffy blending brush. This is a Morphe M504, and we are gonna go into the shade Fresh right here. Oh, and here's a quick little overview of all the colors. I didn't do that earlier, so let me do it right now. So yeah, very pretty colors. Really pretty. We're going to see if this has much fallout like any of the other palettes. We're going to go into the Fresh shade right there. And as always, I have already primed my eyes with primer. You can use whatever you want. I use the Urban Decay Primer Potion. Like, yeah, always. And then nextly, what I'm going to do, I'm going to switch brushes and I'm going to go into the Morphe M518, kind of like, it's still a blending brush, but it's a little bit smaller. And we're going to go into the shade Slate right here. This really pretty gray color right there. We're going to take that and stick that right in the crease. These do have a little bit of kick up, but it's not bad. It's not anywhere near the Subculture or even the Norvina. I think the Norvina had a little more kick up than this does. Cool, awesome. What we're going to do next is we're going to take the same shade and we're going to go into this Birch color. I just stuck my finger in the black color. We're going to go into the Birch, and we're going to take that and put it a tiny bit lower on the crease just to deepen things up just a smidgen. And then we're just going to blend this down. We're not going to do too much of it because we don't want it to like overpower the gray, but we are going to just kind of blend them together. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to take the shade Cyborg right here. This really awesome kind of like metallic silver, like literally it looks like a suit of armor. We're going to take that and we're going to take it on our finger right there. Look at that. That's pigmented. That's dope. And we're going to take that and we're going to put that on the lid. that shade. I love that color. So what I'm going to do next, so it's just so I can get into like the inner corner, I'm going to take kind of like a packing brush and just put some in the inner corner. If you need to spray the brush, yeah, might as well. I got some Smashbox, what's this called? Primer water. I got that. I'm going to go ahead and give that a little spray here, and then we're just going to go right back into it. I'll put that all over. Next, we're going to take a smaller packing brush, like a denser one. I have the Morphe M506 right here, and we're going to go into the shade Dystopian. This really rich dark brown shade right there, and we are going to deepen up the outer V and kind of like go into the crease as well with this shade. Alright, one thing I will say that I'm noticing, this Dystopian shade, it is pigmented, but it's not as pigmented as I thought it would be going into it. Like, this is a very, very dark brown, and it's not as boom as I wanted it to be, but maybe that's a good thing. I do like it, and it's not, you know, too much at one time or anything like that. It is blending out nicely. I just thought it would be a smidgen darker so I didn't have to dip in so many times. But that may be a blessing in disguise. I'm not sure yet. There's nothing wrong with a more sheer shade that's not blendable, buildable. So that may be just what this one is. So last, we're going to go into the shade Noir right here. Bam Bam. This really nice black color, and we are only going to focus that on the outer edge. Like right here. Outer corner. Most of the time, I don't even really blend. I kind of just stamp it on. My voice sounds very gravelly, right? Yeah. That sounds like The Grudge. I don't know why. Oh, let's do, I almost forgot. Lower lash line. We're going to go in with the, where's my brush? Here it is. We're going to go in with the shade Dystopian, that same dark brown shade, and we're going to stick that right in the lower lash line, and then we are going to blend that out. We're going to take that smaller packing brush again. We're going to go into Noir, just a pinch, you guys, because you don't want to have like panda eyes, but we're going to go in, we're going to smoke that out. That is nice and smoky, nice and smoky. So I want to go ahead do my liner. We're actually going to be doing bottom liner today, which I normally don't do. So for my top liner, I always use the Tarte Sex Kitten liner. I love this stuff. I've used it for a long time. This one right here, that one's really good. And then I use this one by Rimmel. That's just like a black liner for my waterline. I don't really know how good it is. I mean, it's a drugstore. It's not bad, but you know, I'm sure there's way better ones out there. I use that. And then of course my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm gonna go ahead and plop all that on, do my other eye off camera, and then we'll be right back for lips and the back. So I did the other eye off camera, did liners and lashes, all that good stuff, and this thing, it looks so cool. I love it. I sound like Kathleen Lights just then. I love it. So we're going to go ahead and go on to lips now. Basically the last step for lips today. I'm going to be using the Pixi by Petra liquid lipstick. And this is in the shade Evening Rose. So we're getting very sexy. Sultry Palette, sultry lips. You know, what can't go wrong. So we're going to go ahead and just put that on. Literally, I've used this liquid lipstick multiple times and I really like it. I love the applicator. It's very sharp, which is weird, but it's not like pointy sharp, not like ouch sharp, but it really helps you get like on the line, like on the lining of your lips to where you don't like overdraw too much. And there we go, you guys. I think that's like the fastest I've ever lined my lips. Or not lined them, but like filled them in and actually got lipstick on, because the applicator is just so nice. If you've never seen one before, this is a drugstore. Well, drugstore, I mean, this is like $12. It's not like Maybelline or something like that. But the applicator is like a really pointed, if you can see that, and it's kind of like sloped, so it's really easy to put on. I love this stuff. It's really, really good. But you guys, that is the completed look. Let me go ahead and zoom in for you so we can see a full once over. So starting right down here with the lips, here's what it looks like. Very pinkish. I don't know if this is like a nude. I guess it is a nude on some skin tones, but for me it's kind of like, you know, just a deep berry pinkish color. And then moving up to the eyes here, I really love this look. It looks very sultry in my opinion to really round out the name of the palette. Like, it looks really, really pretty. It looks very sexy, I think. Yeah, I'm obsessed with it, and it was very easy to do. It was not super intricate or hard or anything like that. I like it. And as for this palette as a whole, I like it a lot. But yeah, I like this palette a lot. I think it's really good. If you are in the market for a really nice, smoky, literally a sultry palette that is full tone colors, can't go wrong with this, and I don't think that you will be disappointed. So you guys, that is going to be the video for today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, go ahead and click up that like button for me and subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you. Bye-bye.
Are you afraid of the dark?